Another daily tip. Cleaning drains isn't for everyone, but you certainly don't want this stuff going down your drain. That's only going to clog way past where you can't reach it. Then you're going to be forced to call Bill, the plumber, with the giant snake. Personally, I suggest you not funnel stuff down your drain that shouldn't be going down there. Instead, the most logical way is to stop it before it goes down there. Personally, all our properties have tub shroom, and it's simply because I don't want stuff going down my drain. Imagine trying to pull this out at 30 feet deep. Look, you can already see what I got pulled out with just my fingers, but now we had to pull out the Hair Puller 3000. See, this for me is kind of like fishing. Only I really suck at fishing. Yes, it does take a second to wiggle it in there, get it twisted, grab what I need. But once you do, the reward will probably make you vomit. I actually kind of hope you're not eating because you're about to lose your appetite. All right, last warning. I warned you. All right, we can agree it could have been worse, but it's still not fun. And the one thing we should all agree on is I would rather do this than call a plumber and have them come bore out the pipe at 30 feet deep because that bill's not going to be fun. Well, the invoice won't be fun either.